From the fairways at Augusta to the courtroom, Tiger Woods, one of the greatest golfers of all time, sued by his ex-girlfriend for $30 million as she claims sexual harassment after their messy breakup.
Tiger Woods first started dating Erica Herman in 2017 when she was the manager at Tiger's Jupiter, Florida restaurant. 6 years later, she's taking the 15-time major champion to court.
Court docs show Herman is seeking damages that could be more than $30 million. Attorney Dominic Romano says her lawyers appear to be trying to get the most money for their client.
The strategy is probably towards encouraging a larger settlement is to threaten to go publicly, threaten to get a declaratory judgment that the whole NDA is invalid.
In a new lawsuit, Herman, who began dating Woods in 2017, asked to be released from her non-disclosure agreement with him. She claims their NDA is unenforceable and should be nullified, citing the Speak Out Act, a federal law protecting victims of sexual harassment and assault.
Tiger Woods is in a legal battle, and it's ridiculous.
The judge ruled yesterday that Erica Herman must abide by the 2017 document and resolve her lawsuit seeking $30 million behind closed doors. The judge called Herman's attempt to quash the agreement by claiming sexual harassment, quote, vague and threadbare. She says Herman failed to provide specific facts for that claim.
The court papers detail a scheme Woods created, telling Herman the two were taking a weekend trip to the Bahamas. But at the airport, she claims a lawyer repping Woods said she would never see Mr. Woods again, had been locked out of the house and could not return. She would not even be able to see the children or her pets again. Herman saying she was asked to sign another NDA, which she refused.
The Tiger Woods lawsuit is officially no more. What do I mean? Let's explain. Via the Post, Erica Herman, Woods' ex, dropped her suit, which sought $30 million in damages from his estate. The filing would read as follows. The plaintiff, by and through her undersigned counsel, hereby dismiss without prejudice her complaint filed on October 26, 2022, pending resolution of the appeal in Herman v. Woods and determination of whether her claims are subject to arbitration. Circuit Judge Elizabeth Metzger called Herman's allegations vague and threadbare and said Herman didn't provide factual specificity for any claim relating to SA or sexual harassment. Herman and her attorneys are going to appeal the judge's ruling. Herman dismissed her complaint without prejudice pending the resolution of her appeal in a more recent complaint aimed at nullifying an NDA that she said required confidential arbitration in all disputes between Herman and Woods. In the NDA case, Herman is still waiting on the court's determination on whether her claims are subject to compelled arbitration, court records show. Another pillar of disagreement in court is the varying opinions of when the romantic relationship became official. Herman claimed it began in 2015. Woods says it was 2017. Through litigation, we learned Herman claimed she was told to pack a bag for a trip, which I believe was to the Bahamas, only to be informed she was dumped, contravening an oral agreement, she says, that allowed her to live there for another 6 years, as in Woods' estate. Furthermore, Herman argued that his pursuit of a sexual relationship with her, while he was her boss, constituted sexual harassment, a circumstance she argued released her from the commitments of the NDA. Per The Guardian, once more, Woods has also denied he unlawfully evicted Herman. His attorneys claim Herman, a jilted ex-girlfriend who wants to publicly litigate specious claims in court, rather than honor her commitment to arbitrate disputes in a confidential arbitration proceeding. One important note from Gabrielle Herzig: by dismissing her complaint without prejudice, Herman could potentially refile in the future.